Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing in, enter your Gckey username and password on the official sign-in screen. Once done, navigate to your account settings, look for security or two-factor authentication. Make sure you already know which 2FA method is active, SMS, Authenticator app, or a security key, because you will need to confirm it. If you can't access your existing 2FA, pause and use account recovery options, then return here to continue with changing the method. You pick Manage Two-Factor Authentication and then choose the new method you want. If you select an Authenticator app, open the app, scan the QR code, and enter the generated 6-digit code to verify. If you pick SMS, add and confirm your phone number. If using a security key, insert or tap the device when prompted. As you proceed, the system will ask you to verify the change. Complete the verification to bind the new method to your account. You finish by confirming the change and saving any recovery or backup codes provided. Store them securely. Then sign out and test signing back in to ensure your new 2FA method works reliably. If you cannot sign in, make sure you entered codes correctly and that your device time is synchronized. If problems persist, use your saved recovery codes or initiate Gckey account recovery and contact support for help. Keep one backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.